How to stop app background usage for apps on your Google Pixel phone with Android 16. So this feature basically allows your app to run in the background and may use some more battery life. So let's go ahead and get started. To stop an app from running in the background constantly and save some battery life, look for the app and long press it. So I'll do this with Messenger. So I'll long press it like this here until this shows up. When you see app info, go into app info. This will show up, and then you want to go down until you reach the app battery usage section right here. A single tap will take you here, and you'll notice that it's going to show you this right here, allow background usage. So basically with this enabled for that particular app, you will have real-time updates, which means your app will be active, running in the background. Even if you close it out, you'll still be receiving notifications, likes, and whatever that's going on that app in particular. So if you don't want that to happen, and you don't want it running in the background, and you want to save some battery life within that time frame or a certain period of time until you reach a charger, this is the setting that you want to disable. Now you want to go ahead and just turn this off, and you are good to go. And it tells you that disable to save battery, which basically means it is going to be using your battery life. So you will still receive your updates, notifications, and all that stuff. But in order for this to work, you'll just have to go into the app or open up the app so that all the updates could come in, all the recent notification, likes, or messages, whatever it is that you have on that app will take place. That's the only how it would work. So that's going to process only when you open up the app. But if you want everything to still keep coming in, then you'll have to leave this on and basically leave it on for it to be constantly active in the background. And of course, you can turn it off if you decide to, like and sub.